Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Check iOS and free space, because outdated software or no storage can lock settings. Sign into settings with your Apple ID and confirm two-factor prompts. That verifies account control. If this is a company or school iPhone, look for profiles and device management and remove any MDM profiles after approval. Once done, make sure screen time or restrictions aren't blocking changes by entering the passcode and allowing iCloud options to be edited. You'll now perform the deeper actions. Sign out of iCloud from settings, restart the iPhone, and sign back in to refresh permissions because Youth often restores access. If that fails, reset network settings to clear any captive portals or blocked ports that prevent Apple services from updating. Also inspect your Apple ID status on Appleid. Apple. COM for locks or verification required, address those alerts. Once complete, open iCloud settings and try toggling desired services again to confirm the fix. Finish by updating to the latest iOS so system bugs aren't the culprit. Updates often re-enable grade options. If settings remain stuck, restore from a recent backup via Finder or iCloud after a full erase, because corrupted settings can persist. Make sure to sign into iCloud post-restore and recheck controls. If problems persist, try signing in with a different Apple ID to isolate account versus device issues. If that works, contact Apple support for account remediation or request device diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.